Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Erston.
And once again, ngai hey Josephine. So over the years, a lot of our listeners have been listening to the Hakka segment right here, and they heard of us talked about different Hakka cultural museums, places to go, like for instance in Miaoli. But we got some listeners in Kaohsiung that wrote in, and they told us that there's also a Hakka cultural museum in Kaohsiung, and we should talk about it.
啲高雄市三明區 87年前完工哦。
So there is a Hakka museum in Kaohsiung, and it was established about 8 years ago. 那你来介绍一下它里面有什么东西呢？
OK， 87年完工嘅高雄市客家文物館，裏邊都有古董文物，
古董文物 Okay, they got a lot of antique.
還有農耕用嘅東西。
農耕用嘅東西，誰用的東西啊？
農耕就是
農耕
就是我們農耕。
農耕 farming. Okay, you can also see a display of farming equipment.
還有文物館提供免費教母語。
母語是什麼？
母語
母語啊。OK， 我以為是什麼吃的東西嘞，還免費嘅來享受一下。母語是母語。So they teach Hakka in this cultural museum for free.
錯。
OK.
還有歌謠班。
歌謠班。歌謠班 Okay, they also teach free lessons on folk songs.
教你唱客家歌啊。
客家歌。
同山歌推吧。
Okay, so you can learn some Hakka music as well. All right.
錯。
And
還有一道嘅書法展。
書法展，這又是什麼？
書法展。
There's also calligraphy paintings, I guess. All right, so it sounds like there's a lot of things to experience at this cultural museum in Kaohsiung. For instance, let's go ahead and review those terms again. First, there's a lot of antique in the museum.
古董文物。
古董文物。There's also farming equipment.
農耕用嘅東西。
農耕用嘅東西。You can also learn Hakka, their native language, they call it.
客家母語。
客家母語. Okay, that's their mother tongue, basically. Also folk songs.
歌謠班.
歌謠班, so you can sing along. And there's also calligraphy.
書法展.
書法展. Again, this is located in Kaohsiung City, in the Sanming district. Go check it out for yourself. And that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.